Did you hit start?
Yeah.
Okay. And once you get up, I'll start my timer.
Is it okay? You don't. You just need to
What do we need
edit.
to
No,
do?
no. Later we need to trim this part, edit
Okay.
this thing a little bit.
Are we gonna be able to see? Okay, I'm starting.
Come in.
Hey, good morning, doctor.
How's it going,
Oh,
sir?
good. Nice. Nice to meet you. And how are you today, sir?
I'm pretty
Can I
good.
take a
Pretty
seat,
good.
please?
Pretty good. Yes.
Oh.
Yes, you may.
Thank you. Ah, okay, doctor. Oh, wow, you are a Cubs fan.
Yeah.
Oh, that's even better. I've
Yeah.
always been a die-hard Cubs fan.
Yeah. I haven't won the World Series in like 116 years, but
Yeah, we just recently celebrated 100 years of losing World Series.
yeah.
I never
We were
done
about
it.
500 last year, though, so. You
Yeah,
know,
but
500 doesn't get you a World Series, but there's still hope.
there's still a hope and chance. Maybe in 200 years, we have a World Series.
Hopefully 200 years, maybe 250. But I'll be dead by then, so
Yeah, maybe a great grandchildren will witness the glory again.
I'll see it in heaven. Though, so.
Okay, doctor. My name is Abby Jackson. I'm coming from GlaxoSmithKline, and I'm the sales rep. And I have been looking to see you for about a couple of weeks, and I'm very glad finally I got
Yeah,
to see you. You're a
busy
man.
guy.
Yeah, I just had a training session today, and I was like, it'll be good to see you today. So, what are you up to, doctor? Busy today, or?
Yeah. It's been crazy.
Yeah, you've been swamped with all
Yeah,
the tension.
clinic. Our boss is making me do clinic duty today, so.
Oh, that's good. That's really good. Okay, doctor, to tell you something about my company, I would like to start with my card, and this is my card. I'm a sales rep for GlaxoSmithKline. I have my email address, my number, anything you want to contact me anytime. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And
Alrighty, so before we begin, how about you tell me a little bit about yourself and what you're selling?
okay. So, doctor, my name is Abby Jackson, like I said, and I have been working in pharmaceutical selling companies for about 6 years now, right after the graduation. And then I also used to work for car, used to sell cars, so I was a sales rep over there too. So I had a pretty okay experience, like sales job is tough. Some days are good and some days are like, okay, we close good big deals, big clients and big accounts. So working with this company, GSK, as you know, is a British multinational company. It's one of the 6 largest in pharmaceutical manufacturing companies in the entire world. And besides, it's one of the biggest company selling in the U.S. for manufacturing products. We mainly deal in three kind of areas, which includes pharmaceuticals and vaccines and consumer products. We sold a lot of vaccines over the last 10 years in Africa to eradicate the disease.
Africa?
Yes.
Wow.
We have a lot of, we are very popular CSR. In CSR is corporate social responsibility, and our company is striving a lot to eradicate big problems of poverty and other problems related to health and diseases in different parts of the world. So we are a pretty big company. We have a pretty big market share, and 67% of our sales come from the pharmaceutical products. We have great products, and we are the major source. Our major source of revenue is from the United States, although it's like the whole we supply the entire world. GSK, like I said, is a multinational British company. So their headquarters is located in London, near far, like laboratories and stuff is around everywhere, across all continents and regions. We have been working hard to help cure big diseases and stuff. And currently we have 9,000 employees in the United States as of 2013, and we are the 6th largest revenue-wise. We are pretty diversified manufacturer, and solving clinical problems and providing doctor with clinical studies and like research-based products is our motive, and we try to reduce the side effects and problems with our medicine. And most of our medicine, all of our medicine, is like FDA approved or CIPA approved medicines. And what's the biggest challenge, doctor, that you
I
face?
would say it's just to diagnose patients accurately, treating them timely. Obviously, you probably would know, or you don't know, that my patients really mean a lot to me. I've been in this practice for 20 years. I have
That's a lot.
yeah,
Great.
I have a less than 5% patient turnover.
Amazing.
What I had beforehand was obviously with some migraine problems as of recently, and what I've been giving them recently just hasn't been working. It just hasn't been working. I've been giving them Imitrex and Maxalt, and it just hasn't been working. And I'm really worried about like losing patients or them having to go somewhere else. So
I found out the biggest challenge for a doctor of your stature is treating patients and treating them timely, and the biggest thing is the avoiding side effects and illness, and find out the disease through symptoms and cure them.
what are some of the side effects of your?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to tell you about a little bit about our product Treximet. And Treximet combines two medicines, totally different medicine, which is one is Imitrex, which goes by the name of sumatriptan, and the other is naproxen sodium. So they both help the patient in different ways. They act differently with their chemistry and stuff. One of them helps in in shrinking the blood vessels, which is swollen already, and the other naproxen sodium helps in decreasing the inflammation that can cause the migraine pain in the patient. Like I said, our medicine is approved by FDA, and we currently use the RT technology, which is an innovative way in this industry, which puts the medicine into a tablet form using the sumatriptan, which a component which helps dissolve quickly after you swallow. It goes into your bloodstream and start working right after. That's why our response time in our patient is very less. Two big clinical studies have already proven that we've taken the placebos and Imitrex and Trimex and Maxalt, and we had that study, and it has proven medically and scientifically that Imitrex is more efficient, is more accurate in helping in treating the customers. Well, I would like to have some questions before we go on. I would love to ask some questions, doctor, if you would allow me, please.
Sure, yeah.
Thank you
Absolutely.
so much, doctor. I would like to ask you, like, how many patients do you see in a week who have migraine problems?
Around 20.
20%?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good number, right? And how many?
25.
20, 25. Okay, I got it. And what medicine are you currently prescribing for migraine to patients?
I'm currently prescribing Imitrex and Maxalt.
Oh, you said.
Yeah.
Okay, so what? Tell me what kind of problems do you face in diagnosing migraine problems?
It just hasn't been working like to the extent that they keep coming
hard.
back.
I know it's hard to.
They
we are still
keep
working.
coming back, and
right.
if it doesn't work,
Right.
I face the possibility, and I'm
Mhm.
in this practice, in this area, I'm a huge center of influence, so I network
Great,
through
doctor.
with other doctors, and I really just would like to find something that reflects my image a
Okay.
little bit more, and the image that I care about my patients,
Sounds
and
good.
that,
Mhm.
and that I just want to find something that helps rather than actually, doesn't work to
Okay.
where they have to keep coming back, almost to the extent where I can't help them.
I
have to
heard
recommend them
you,
to
doctor.
somebody else.
Wonderful. So, how has this problem affected your credibility as a doctor?
Like I said, my patients mean everything to me. And if I can't help them, that affects my credibility, and that obviously it makes me feel bad that I can't help them. So
would it be useful to you, doctor, if I tell you a medicine which could treat your patients in just in one prescription, might be one prescription?
Absolutely,
How
yeah.
do you feel about that?
yeah, absolutely.
So would you be interested in prescribing that medicine to your patient
Yeah,
to check how they're doing with that?
yeah.
Okay. So really quickly, I just want to tell you what kind of benefits we can
Wait,
offer.
before I, why should I switch from Imitrex to Treximet?
Okay, why should you choose to
Just a question.
switch? Yeah, definitely. Well, Treximet, like I said, consists of two drugs, sumatriptan 85 mg and naproxen LE 500 mg. The combination is more effective than alone. Like Imitrex is just a sumatriptan, and they have clinically proven that they are very good to cure the patient.
So that would probably make it a little bit more expensive, right?
Not that much, doctor. Like I said, the price is like little more than what you're offering right now. But the thing is that Treximet on average costs about $31 per tablet. But with a lot of discount coupons and other website sign-ups, you can lower it down to like 24 bucks a tablet, which is close to like 22, which you're offering right now. So it's like very competitive. And besides, like the $31 tablet is not that too much. It takes a lot of years of innovation, technology, and a lot of research to come up with such things. So it's just like an incentive to a company to work more hard and to do this thing.
So basically, I'm paying for quality.
Yes, you got it, doctor. So the Treximet, like I said, is an improved version of Imitrex. It's a new and improved. It reduces the symptoms as compared to the Imitrex and Maxol, which could help you in reducing the frequency of your visit and developing your rapport and reputation that you have with your patient. Besides, the new Trimex has reduced the response time to just about 1 hour, acute pain to about 2 to 4 hours, which doesn't sound good.
Yeah.
So that will help you increase your reliability and credibility in your patients in providing quality medicine. Would you also agree with me that building trust and increasing efficiency is important to you?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
And we can get to that by, Treximet works 4 times faster as Maxol and Imitrex to control migraine. So that will help you as well. And would you also agree, doctor, that saving money to the patient with treating them condition on timely basis it matters to you a lot?
Time is money, like they always say.
Yes.
So.
And we can also do that by you can consider that giving it to your patient that will help them with online rebate discount coupons. I promise you we can get it down. Okay, so any kind of question, doctor, you want to ask me about?
Well, I previously prescribed Exert to a few of my patients for the migraines, and they experienced some really bad side effects. So
Okay.
I know I already kind of asked you this, but what kind of side effects could they experience with your medicine?
Well, doctor, to be very honest with you, every medicine comes with the perks, pros, and cons, and I would like to tell you that the Trimex likewise have kind of nausea, can cause stomach pain, and in very rare cases it can go to the heart stroke and intestinal cancer, ulcer, and stuff like that. But that's an extreme case. Anything else, doctor? You want to? So
No.
I would just like to ask you, would you agree with all the benefits that we have discussed so far?
Yeah.
And would you also agree that considering this medicine and prescribing to your patients would reduce your time and increase your efficiency so that you can spend your leisure time with the family?
Yeah.
You can do conference, you can do research and stuff.
Yeah.
And would you like to get started with the paperwork? I have.
Sure. Yeah.
Definitely, doctor.
You can email me it. I probably have to talk to a few people beforehand, but you just send me the paperwork or whatever, and I'll
Sounds good.
and I'll
wonderful.
give you a call, and
Sounds wonderful, doctor.
we can
So-
get this train moving.
Awesome. So, doctor, these are some of the brochures I'm leaving you. This is my company brochure and all the things, and these are some of the samples. I'm going to put it over there. Just fill in this paperwork, and if next week you're free, I can come and collect the paperwork and check up on the inventory, whatever. How is it doing? You'd love to try it on the
All right.
try it with the patient and let me know how it goes.
All righty.
Okay. Thank you so much. As I
All right,
your time,
thanks, Abby.
you're a nice gentleman. Thank you so much.
All right, take it easy.
19 seconds.